Forget ChatGPT or Claude or any other generic AI, because I'm about to show you how I used the Money Agent, an actual business AI that helps you create a business from zero that is coming from Alibaba.com and help me find winning products, design my store, and launch it in less than an hour. So if you want to know how to do it even without any experience, this video is for you. So the platform is Accio Work, and it comes to solve a very big problem for every person that wants to start a business. It does the business analysis. You can design products, you can find suppliers that are offering specific products, negotiate with them, create agents in order to do the search automatically, build stores, track your competition, design products that do not exist, and you can bring them to life from zero, and so many others. So let me show you. I will install it in my laptop. You can do that for Mac or PC right here. And now you have your interface. You have the pre-built agents like Accio, the Shopify operator, e-commerce mind that actually does the research that we're going to start doing in a few minutes, Coder in order to build your own apps and your own websites, and so many other. Even create your own agents from zero. You also have connectors, which means you can connect different apps like Gmail, Alibaba.com, GitHub, Notion, and whatever else you're working with, so you can make different automations and have Accio Work do the work within the apps, right? Let's say that you want to do a research on e-commerce mind that we're going to do right now, and then you want the outcome posted in a Notion document. So that's why the connectors are useful. Now, I will go to e-commerce mind agent and I want to launch a high profitability store with items that are trending right now. I have no idea what is trending right now. I have zero experience for e-commerce, but I would like to launch a dropshipping store that is profitable, because guess what? That's the biggest issue with e-commerce stores. They have very slim margins, which means they're not sustainable. So what we're gonna need is at least 3 or 4 times our money back, right? So if you sell, for example, a product for $10, we want at least 8 of that to be our profit. So e-commerce mind will start searching, making the research on Alibaba.com, on Etsy, on Amazon, or the entire e-commerce ecosystem to track and suggest 10 different high profitable product propositions, like as you see right here, with high perceived value but low cost, so it can allow us to have at least a profit multiplier of 6 to 8 times, 7 to 10, as you see right here, the ergonomic butterfly memory foam, which is connected to a very significant habit of people that everybody does, like sleeping, right? Wireless stainless steel PET water fountain, magnetic leviation. You can check, you have also a comparison table here, so you can see at once how those products look like. So as you see right here, the pillow can be sold based on the actual and the average prices that you find online for $49. That gives us at least 85% profitability. This is really something that gives you the opportunity to do also marketing, to add affiliates or whatever else you want to do in order to drive sales, right? Actually, I think I'm going to go with a pillow and go back here and ask to give me the number 2 choice and find me the right suppliers, and along with some product photos to understand what exactly we're talking about, right? So e-commerce mind will do the research in Alibaba.com network, which is actually huge, as you know, and it will give me those specific suggestions with price point, MOQ, which means how many products you need to order in order to be able to receive the product. And as you see right here, you have only 2 pieces MOQ. You can just order 2 pieces. Looks really unique. I haven't seen that around, and it's actually something that helps people sleep better. This is even better, the premium quality one. You see also the comparison, the benefits of each one of them. We can see the photos here of the product. I think I like this one. And now it's time to build the store. Let me show you. Based on the research that we did and the product that we found, I will go to the Shopify operator agent right here and ask it to build the Shopify store for the product line that we found together. I'll paste the outcome, and the Shopify operator will start finding the exact products that we need to start adding in our product list, giving us also actual data of how much money those products are making in big marketplaces like Amazon. As you see right here, this one, for example, makes 370K annual revenue. Not that bad, right? So this actually has a real product proof, which means people love it, people buy it, right? So I will ask for this specific product to be sourced from Alibaba.com to find the right suppliers to give us this product for our store, right? So Shopify operator just found the suppliers for us with the MOQs and everything. And the next step for us is to start a Shopify store. You can register for $1. Name your store. I will call it Simply Sleep. I mean, Beautiful, right? You can select your theme right here. I will go with a Tinker one. Looks really nice. You see right here that I'm posting my ID. And after setting the ID, as you see right here, the Shopify operator tells me that my store is officially ready. Right? You can see the link right here. I will click it, and here it is, the orthopedic comfort for restful sleep, the 2 products that we selected, the name of the store. Obviously, you can add more products, but this is how it would look like if you had only 2. All the information is here for the product, and for some reason, it says sold out. So I will go back to my agent and say why the products appear as sold out, and the Shopify operator will fix it. Everything you want to do, remove, add, change, to your store, you can do it directly from Accio Work by just chatting and asking for changes. This is insane, right? You can do also the marketing part from here, not just building your store. And as you see, my store is ready. My PayPal details are connected, which means I can just share the product and start selling it. This literally took us less than half an hour to create, making the research, finding the product, identifying the suppliers, and creating the store. All that in a single platform. Isn't that beautiful? Accio Work doesn't do just that. You have a ton of different skills that are pre-built right here that you find on the left, like company research, competitive landscape, product supplier sourcing, all the things that we discussed at the beginning. That pre-built skills that Accio Work has that you can use to do whatever you need. A Hicksfield AI studio to design your product in video format. You can create your own skills as well by training the AI according to whatever fits your needs and connect, as we said before, every single platform that allows you, enables you to do more. And another cool feature is that if you go to channels, you can connect your messaging apps like Telegram, Discord, WeChat, in order to receive your results or manage your agents remotely, any of the existing or the agents that you have created yourself. So try it yourself from the link in the description. Use the agents that exist or create your own ones, develop your own skills, and make that your business agent to run your existing business or start a completely new one, even if you have a crazy product idea in your mind. And if you're wondering how Accio Work is different from any other agentic platform like CloudWork, which is a miraculous platform, you can see right here that the differences in terms of business, sourcing products, finding suppliers, building stores are huge, right? So you can really automate things of your work, become more productive with CloudWork. But when it comes to building a business, finding real trade data, finding verified suppliers, negotiating with them, having access to different markets, and also have the huge benefit of having access to Alibaba.com network makes Accio Work a unique selection. So give it a try and let me know in the comments which business are you about to start. Everybody here in the community would love to see it and support it, so please, if you launch a business, share it in the comments so we can show some love, share it on our social media, and give an extra help to everybody who wants to start a business today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, show some love, and until next time, simply hustle.